Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix a MacBook stuck on the loading screen where the Apple logo appears but the progress bar does not move or gets stuck halfway. This usually happens due to startup disk issues, corrupted system cache, or a failed update, and we'll go through simple steps to fix it. First, give your Mac a few minutes on the loading screen. Sometimes it looks frozen but is still processing in the background. If nothing changes after a few minutes, press and hold the power button until the Mac shuts down completely. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Now try Safe Mode. If you are using Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until startup options appear. Then select your startup disk while holding Shift and choose Continue in Safe Mode. If you are using Intel Mac, turn it on and immediately hold the Shift key until you see the login screen. Safe Mode loads only essential system files, which helps bypass corrupted startup items. Once inside Safe Mode, wait for it to fully load, then restart your Mac normally from the Apple menu. Many loading issues fix themselves after a Safe Mode boot because macOS clears temporary system caches in the background. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelphStack for more simple Mac troubleshooting tutorials. Now let's try Disk Utility Repair. Shut down your Mac again and boot into recovery mode. If you are on Apple Silicon, hold the power button until startup options appear, then select Options. On Intel Mac, hold Command+R while restarting. Once inside, open Disk Utility and wait for the drives to load. Select your internal drive and click First Aid. Let it complete fully because this checks for file system errors that often cause loading freezes. After First Aid finishes, close Disk Utility and restart your Mac normally. If it still gets stuck, go back into recovery mode and choose Reinstall macOS. This will replace missing or damaged system files without deleting your personal data in most cases. Finally, once your Mac boots successfully, go to System Settings, then General, and check for Software Update. Installing the latest macOS version helps prevent future loading screen issues caused by system bugs or incomplete updates. And that is it. Thanks for watching this DelphStack tutorial video.